Let's go over a few quick tips that will help you when you prepare for job interviews. In a tight job market, doing your homework before an interview will help set you apart from other candidates and impress the attorneys and judges that are interviewing you. Always start by researching cases that the attorney was involved with and opinions written by the judge. Use the West Legal Directory to get a complete overview of the interviewer's background and experience, from where they went to law school, what areas they specialize in, even to any fraternities or sororities they may have belonged to when they were undergrads. Another added bonus of the West Legal Directory is the litigation history reports that list complete litigation histories for attorneys and judicial reports for the judges. From the main Westlaw Next page, select Directories. Then select West Legal Directory. At the top of the page, select Advanced Search, and this will bring you to a template. Enter the name, the state, or any other information that you may have. This will bring you to information about that attorney or judge. You'll get contact information, find out where they went to law school, what courts they've been admitted to, and other helpful information about them. You could also select Litigation History Report. This will bring you to a comprehensive report of all of the litigation that attorney has been involved in. If we were searching for a judge, we would have seen a link to Judicial Reports. Another way to find out if the interviewer was the attorney of record in any important cases is to search cases and read a few key ones. For example, on Westlaw Next, in the main search screen at the top of the page, enter AT, and then in parentheses, enter the name of the attorney. This will show us all published cases that the attorney was the attorney of note for. Another way to find opinions written by a particular judge is to search Westlaw Next for cases and limit your searches to the name of the judge who wrote the opinion. So for example, enter OP for opinion, and then in parentheses, enter the name of the judge. You'll get a list of opinions that he or she has written. You should also check to see if the attorney or judge has been mentioned in any news articles. For example, on Lexis Advance, select News and type the name in the main search screen at the top of the page. Find out if they've written any law review or bar journal articles, a chapter in Mass Practice, or other practice materials or secondary sources. On Westlaw Next, select Secondary Sources, and then in the main search field at the top of the page, enter AU for author, and then in parentheses, enter the name. You might also want to check to see if an attorney has faced any disciplinary actions. From the Law Library's webpage, select Research and Law School Research Databases, and then Social Law Library Databases. You'll see a link to the Board of Bar Overseers database in the right column. So in short, find out as much as you can about the person you're interviewing with. This will show them that you are a thorough researcher and the kind of person who always goes the extra mile, does their homework, and comes to the table prepared. So, for example, read bio info on firm and court websites. Always run a Google search. Find out what their interests are. Have they been involved with any charitable organizations? Have they recently helped close a big real estate or business deal? If you're interviewing for a position in a company's legal department, be sure to check business reports and SEC filings. Whether you're a current law student or an alum, if you'd like more help preparing for interviews, make an appointment with a reference librarian. We're happy to sit down with you and give you one-on-one guidance with doing research for your interviews. And of course, you should always contact Suffolk's PCD office for expert help with finding jobs and preparing for interviews.